The ingredients are a good amount of flat leaf parsley. As you can see, it's quite a lot, but 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, about 100 milliliters of olive oil, and roughly 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. First of all, take your parsley, remove the leaves from the thick stems, because we don't want that in your chimichurri. So now let's chop everything up very, very fine. Love the smell of parsley. Now put everything in a bowl. Chop up the garlic very fine as well. There you go, something like that. Add it to the bowl. Alright, time for the assembly. Take your bowl, add your oregano, chili flakes, salt and pepper, your vinegar. Now let's give everything a good mix. And as the last step, I'm going to add the oil. Why as the last step, you ask? Because you don't want to overmix your olive oil, because I've been told it can change its flavor. And there you go. Your beautiful chimichurri is done. You can use this on some veggies or on some steak or even as a chip dip.